Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, my people in which part of the world you know there. Today I there, you know, and my son get one little cut on him foot. If you no ever hear how the little picnic ball out, if me have anything can go on the cut. So me tell him say, me have one little home sweet home lamp in there with kerosene oil. Can come give me, make me quiz look like kerosene oil on the cut. The little boy about, oh, that's gross. My people, who no remember back in the day when we used to get cut where we granny or we mama would do? Them would have draw for the home sweet home lamp, take out that they wick out there and squeeze like a kerosene oil pan cut. And if it a bleed out, then tie it up with piece of cloth. That is where we are coming from, my people. Drop a line below no and make me hear who no have any memories of that. Who no have any memories of that? Drop a line below, my people. Make me hear no man. As always, Mama Selva have a beautiful morning, afternoon, evening or night, any which part of the world on day.